Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, I'm going to teach you guys how to boil corn in a proper Nigerian way. Yeah, randomly today, my cousins brought some fresh corn they harvested from their farm. They brought it to me, and I said I have to boil this corn. If I don't boil it today, if I decide to boil it tomorrow, it will change taste. It's advisable to boil your corn the same day that it was harvested. It tastes differently and is sweeter. The first thing I do is to unskin the corn. Yeah, but I don't remove all the skin. Why? Because I still want that taste to be retained while it's boiling, or rather cooking. Yeah, so I just remove some and leave some. Please, if you've not done that before, maybe you should give it a try. Your corn will come out better and it will taste way more better. So yeah, I am unskinning it one after the other, right? Most times when you're unskinning it, you will notice that maybe sometimes we see some, maggot or something. So if you see such a thing, it's advisable to, open it up very well so that you can know if the corn is still good and if you need to throw it away, right? Let me know in your tribe, what do you eat boiled corn with? Do you eat it with coconut? Do you eat it with local pear? What do you prefer to eat it with? Yeah, for me, in my tribe, we prefer to eat it with local pear, not avocado, local pear. You can roast it or you can put it inside hot water. So that
your corn the same day you harvest
the
it.
boiled corn, I think, is the best corn so far. So yeah.
There are a few more to go. Fresh corn.
As you can see, I'm almost done with skinning the corns. It's just remaining, I think, two. And just one step at a time, one after the other, patiently doing it. You guys, see how fresh this corn is. Very, very fresh and neat. Very, very fresh and neat. Yeah. So, just showing, I'm just showing off my corn, yeah. Let's see what this corn looks like. See? See the corn? Sweet, sweet corn. So, we're going to water next. The next thing to do after on skinning your corn and putting inside your pots is to pour water inside it, like enough water that will cover the corn, right? Enough water that will cover the corn so that as it's boiling, it doesn't dry up. You will pour enough water to cover the corn.
So that is it.
And of course, the next phase is to put it on fire.
Time to check the corn. Here is boiling.
Make sure to always check it at every interval. Check if the water is enough. Check if it's drying up, and ensure you close your pot very well. All right, so that heat doesn't escape. So when you notice that the corn is already soft, ensure that it's already soft before you add your salt. And then when you're adding your salt, be generous with it. Put enough salt. All right, because salt is the only thing that gives taste to corn. Right, so put enough salt, be generous with it, and stir well so that it can penetrate into the corn. After you do that, you cover your pot and allow it to boil a little before enjoying your corn. And yeah, this is the corn, very soft and sweet. You can see it from the video, very soft and sweet. So that is it for today. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share this video. All right, thank you for sticking and watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.